Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a firm, clean work area and gathering tools: small pliers, hand puller or thin blade, magnifier, and a soft cloth. Why this matters: dirt or uneven support will let parts shift. Once ready, stop the clock at 12:00, photograph hand alignment, then protect the dial with cloth and gently lift the hour hand straight off, followed by the minute hand. Make sure to pull evenly to avoid bending the hollow hand tubes. You now inspect the cannon pinion and hand tubes for wobble or wear, because loose hands usually come from a loose pinion or oversized tube. Once done, compress the cannon pinion slightly with a padded plier or proper cannon pinion tool. Target a small change, around 0.2 to 0.5 mm, to restore friction. If needed, add a thin shim or very gently bend the hollow minute hand tube inward to improve grip. Make sure to check alignment frequently. You finish by reinstalling the hands. Seat the hour hand firmly first, then the minute hand, keeping about 1 to 2 mm clearance from the dial and each other. Once seated, advance the clock slowly through a full 12-hour cycle to verify no rubbing or slipping. This confirms both clearance and grip. If slipping persists, the fix is to replace the cannon pinion or apply a small amount of clock-safe hand adhesive under the hand tube, only as a last resort, because it complicates later servicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.